Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia here. I am so excited about today's video. You can probably already tell from the title above, we're gonna be making our own nut milks. I am so excited. Hope everything turns out great. We're gonna be making cashew milk, almond milk, and oat milk. I got inspired to do this by Emma Chamberlain. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need for all the milks. So first things first, you're gonna need your almonds. I have roasted cashews. I don't know if it's gonna like make a difference in the flavor. It probably will, I don't know, but I like cashews to be roasted. I feel like it tastes so much better. I'm just hoping it tastes good when it's in a milk consistency. I guess we're gonna find out. Then I have some rolled oats, and yeah, this is my favorite brand. It's really good. So yeah, this is kind of tricky because I don't know, I feel like oat milk is gonna be the trickiest one. I'm just hoping this all goes great. For sweeteners, I have here just vanilla extract, and then I have some agave nectar. So this video today is actually vegan friendly, so if you are vegan, you can actually try these out, and there's no dairy in them, so very exciting. Most important thing is cheesecloth. I literally went to Target yesterday and I asked one of the workers like, hey, I need cheesecloth, and they're like, what? Like, they were so confused, and he was like, yeah, it's probably only online. And then as I was walking away, he's like, wait, I was like, we have it. And I was like, oh, thank God. So I knew they had cheesecloth. Like, why would that be sold out? Who needs cheesecloth? Apparently I do. The only annoying thing about the almond milk, which we're gonna be doing first, I soaked the almonds overnight. That's the only annoying thing about the almond milk. You do have to soak them a bit. So yeah, they're pretty much ready. This is about a cup of almonds, raw almonds. I don't want all the water to get in there. I'm gonna dump out all the water and then throw these bad boys into my blender. Hopefully taste amazing. All right, let's do this. Ugh, why, dude? Come on. First of all, I'm like struggling already. Come on, Nadia. Come on, almonds, go down. Probably shouldn't be using my hands. My hands are clean, I promise. I washed them a bunch, so. You're really stuck in there. Oh boy, okay. Got that? Okay. Oh, this has all the measurements. I totally forgot. So now you're gonna be needing four cups of water. So I'm using purified water. You're supposed to use filtered. Now this is probably where I'm gonna mess up because it might not taste the same. Like, I would use my fridge water, but like, I don't trust it. So just pour that in there. Oh, is that enough? Oh my God, that was not even enough. I need more. We got the water, we got the almonds, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gotta be careful with this stuff because it's very strong. Is that good? Maybe a little more. Okay, that's a lot. That's definitely a lot. Okay, there we go. The next thing we're gonna be using is agave nectar. I'm just gonna use about, I really don't know, maybe a tablespoon, a little less than a tablespoon, because I know this is very sweet. If you don't put any like sweeteners and stuff in your almond milk, it tastes kind of like whipped cream with no sugar, no sweetness. It still tastes good, I won't lie, but now, moment of truth. We gotta blend this bad boy. I think everything's situated. We got everything done, right? Really hope so, guys. I'm so scared. Let's blend this. Okay. It's not plugged in. Of course, it's not plugged in. Ugh. I can't do anything right. whole lot of cheesecloth, guys. Oh my god. So, I'm going to take this, put it over my, like, thingy-mabobber. And we're just gonna put the milk, pour the milk in here. Oh god. Please. I hope this works. I hope this is delicious and amazing. Let's just wing it. You can't really see what I'm doing. Oh. Maybe I should hold this like better. Come on, cheesecloth, do your thing. Come on, don't be scared. It won't hurt. I don't know if I should pour all of this in here. I'm pouring all of it in there. Okay, there we go. So I guess we're just gonna like wait for this to do its thing. I don't know if it's working. That is so chunky. Oh wow. Guys, it worked. What? Oh my god, it actually worked. It actually looks really like almond milk. Damn. Whoa. I'm in shock. That happened so quick. Like it just quickly, you know, turned into milk. Okay, I'm actually really excited now. Let's just like, that's not a lot of milk though, which is not bad because I don't really want too much milk. This is literally what I'm doing. I'm like trying to squeeze it out. I think you're actually supposed to do this. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. This is like definitely something. Okay. I have like 2 of these jars. I wish I had a third one for my third milk, but I don't. It's okay. Let's just pour it in there. Hopefully it won't spill. I didn't really think this through. Okay. Okay, that's definitely gonna spill. That was literally perfect, guys. I literally filled up all the way. Now we're gonna try this bad boy. Let's see. That is amazing. That's so good. Holy crap. Oh my god. I made almond milk. That's amazing. The vanilla extract gives it such a good flavor. Wow. Now the good thing about this, not that great actually. Keep it refrigerated in your fridge for about 4 to 5 days. So not as long as, you know, store-bought almond milk, but that's okay because this turned out really good. And okay, almond milk was definitely a success. It's cashew milk time. So got my cashews. I'm gonna put about a cup of them in here, which is so much. Is that a cup? Yeah, I'd say that's about a cup. Okay, I love cashews. Oh my god, cashew milk sounds amazing. I've tried it before. I absolutely love it. I love any type of nut milk, honestly. Let's just throw it in here. Keep getting stuck. Okay. Now, 4 cups of agua. Let's see. We need more. See, I thought 4 cups would be a lot, but like, when you're making nut milk, it's really not. So, I'm just gonna do the same thing with what I did with my last milk. So, teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just throw that aside. I need some more napkins. Okay. Keep spilling. I don't know why. Now, what's next? What's next? Agave. Why do I keep putting it over there? Tablespoon, maybe a little less. that. Oh, we're gonna blend it up. This is actually so easy. Like, it's really not that hard. I think that's good. Let's see. Ooh, it is. Now, ooh. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, I'm so excited. Damn, it already looks like, I don't know. Like we didn't even need to use the cheesecloth. Oh yeah, we definitely did. Never mind, sorry. Of course we did. Oh yeah. Guys, this is so fun. Please try this out at home. I went to Sprouts to get my favorite oat milk, which Oatly, the brand, is so amazing. And guess what? They didn't have it. Like, they had one, but like it wasn't the right flavor, and I was so upset. Oat milk is like selling out like crazy right now. Like, it's bad. Like, this is definitely, it can get messy. Just warning you guys. I got my cashew milk. Now let's put it in a cup. Boom. Ooh, let's try this. That's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's as good as the almond milk. Let me take another sip. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. So far, almond milk is in the lead, definitely, for sure. God, that almond milk is amazing. I'm so happy. That almond milk tastes so good. It tastes very, very healthy because it is raw almonds and organic and all that jazz. Now it is oat milk time. Very nervous about this. I got my oats right here. I'm gonna do a cup of this as well. I think that's good. Yeah. Pour it in here. Now the thing with the annoying thing about making oat milk is that it can get very slimy, and you just gotta be careful and try not to do that, which hopefully ours doesn't taste slimy and weird texture. Hoping it's gonna be good. I need to go grab some water because I don't think we have more. I don't think we have any more water in my fridge. Yeah, we don't. So I'm a little disappointed because my water is like room temperature, but like nobody wants to drink warm milk. But we're doing it. We have no choice. I'm just very impatient and like I just want this to turn out good. Okay. Alrighty. This is like my new favorite thing. This is really fun. Oops. A little more. Okay. I'm craving donuts. I'm saying I'm craving donuts as I'm making my own nut milk. Wow, Nadia. So nervous, so nervous. Wow. It smells really good. Is it gonna taste good though? That's the big question. Ready? Probably should have like cleaned it up before I put this in here, but we're just gonna do it. Okay. I feel like it might taste good. I feel like it's gonna taste good, honestly. Really hoping it does. I need to grab a bowl or a cup. It's much easier to squeeze out the milk because it's always just like tiny little oats. The other ones were very challenging. A moment of truth, trying the oat milk. And it doesn't look like it turned out all weird, thank God. No way. No way. That is so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's way better than the cashew milk. Let me try this one again. Oh, if it was cold, which I'm gonna put in the fridge, it will be cold soon. Oh, that one's good too. Let's try the almond. Oh my god, they're all good. The almond does taste a little different because I used raw almonds. I wish I used like roasted ones, but it's still pretty good. But I love oat milk probably. Like, it's probably my favorite. Definitely is my favorite, yeah. This is where it's at. Oh my god, that's amazing. And yeah, this video was really fun, guys. I enjoyed doing it. Hope you guys enjoyed me making all my milks. This was so fun to do. If you do try it out, let me know in the comments, and I definitely want to check out your video of you making your own milks at home. I had so much fun making it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments what other videos you guys want to see from me. I've been making a lot more videos recently, and I love filming for you guys. It's so fun. And yeah, I just want to try out new things. Yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.